So whether you're just starting out as a full-time freelancer or you want to do this on the side to earn extra income while still working your 9-to-5 job, this is the video for you. The most difficult part of building a successful freelancing business is getting clients. And I want to help you overcome this hurdle by showing you some of the strategies that has helped me land high-paying clients. I will share even my template. Let's get started. Ask for referrals from your existing clients. What if you don't have the existing clients pool? So what do? Well, the second strategy will show you how to get those clients. Let me show you why asking for referrals from your existing clients is one of the best ways to get high-paying clients. According to Referral Candy, referral leads boost a 30% higher conversion rate. What that means is that when people come to you through referral from your clients that are happy, you can command more rate because these people are already in the buying mode. They want to buy because they trust you, not because of you per se, but because of the person who referred you. Just a quick story. In 2022, I worked with a business and the manager loved my work to the point of referring his own brother to me. And after I worked with the brother, I asked the brother, could you please recommend my services to your friends, your colleagues, and your family, whoever you know will benefit from my copywriting services? Surprisingly, he introduced me to 2 of his colleagues. So from one client that I just got, I was able to secure 3 more clients that I'm still working with till date. So asking for referrals from an existing client that is happy with you is one of the best ways to have sustainable business as a freelancer. Here's a statistics that will blow your mind. 71% of consumers are more likely to make a purchase or engage a business based on social media referrals. So you can see about 71% of consumers are more likely. So when a business refers you to someone else, there's a higher chance that you make even more money with them. Remember this, when your existing and happy client refers you to someone else, you have the opportunity to charge more. Don't assume that your existing client already told them your rate and now when they come to you, just have to continue with the same status quo. No, you don't have to do that. You can charge more because your existing clients may not have told them your rate. In fact, 99% of the time, they never reveal your rates to the potential lead. It is you that have the opportunity, the chance, and the advantage to now charge more. So if you charge your existing client $200 for copywriting, $500 or $1,000, when they refer you to someone else, so that new client already trusts you, you can charge them 20% more. The only reason they will refuse your new rate is when it's beyond their budget. But if it's within their budget, they will likely pay you that money because you came from referral. You are not just some random freelancer looking for some quick bucks. You were referred by someone they trust. If you do not have an existing client pool, this is the one you should start doing right now. Cold emailing potential clients. It doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be pushy. You can manage every process so powerfully. Let me show you exactly how to do it. The first thing you need to do before you email a potential client is to use a tool to find their email address. You don't want your message to fall on an abandoned email address. You want your message to land on an active inbox. And you also want to contact the right person in every organization. So it could be the chief editor if you're a copywriter, or it could be the hiring manager, it could be the CEO, it could be the manager, anyone that is involved in the decision-making process of that organization. Those are the people you should target. So let me show you exactly how to do it. This is so exciting, and by the time you're done with this strategy, it becomes something that you do every single day. So how do you find these people's email address? Well, you use a tool. I use hunter.io. So when you get to hunter.io, you can see that you can find the verified email address of any professional. And that is exactly what you want to do. So here, you can find email by company. You can find email by name. I usually use this option because it's easier. And you can verify email address. To find email by name, you simply come to this place, include the person's name. By the way, how do you find the person's name? Well, if you want to email a company like AppSumo.com, all you need to do is to go to Google and find out who is the CEO of AppSumo, the HR of AppSumo, and Google will reveal the name of the founder or the people involved in AppSumo. And then you come here. For example, if I want to email the founder of AppSumo.com, I know that his name is Noah Kagan, so I will type Noah Kagan. And then here at company.com, so I will type at sumo.com. So you can see I want to search for any email address that has this extension at absumo.com, because most of these CEOs and professionals and editors, they do not use Gmail address. They mostly use professional email addresses that are attached to their domain name. So that is exactly what you want to look. So when I search for any email address that is attached to this, I will get option, and there's a chance that one of these email address would be the valid one. So when I take this email address, all I need to do is now craft my cold email template. Remember, you have not talked to the person before. They do not know who you are. So it is important to send a message that is customized for them. So there are some psychological triggers that you can use for your email. So let me share my code email template with you. You can just model or tweak it. Don't copy it exactly as it is. That would be stupid. So just model it. This email template has helped me win a lot of high-paying clients through cold emailing. This is the template here. Let me walk you through the template. Hi, Noah. I know you receive dozens of emails where copywriters ask you to pay them for their service. I confess this one is slightly different. Let me tell you about 2 benefits you would get from it. Number 1, I would watch your YouTube videos, extract insightful information from them, and create the most engaging piece of content for your blog. Number 2, I would take your customer success stories and turn them into compelling copy that will generate leads and sales for your products. Let me know what you think. So let's analyze this code email and see why it works so well. So the first line here, I know you receive dozens of emails where copywriters ask you to pay them for their service. I have been able to address the prospect's pain. That is exactly what you want to do with your first line of sentence in every cold email. Since they do not know who you are, they wouldn't want to pay you outright. The second sentence says, I confess this one is slightly different. I'm insinuating that yes, I may ask for money, but it is slightly different. My approach is slightly different. And how is it different? The third sentence says, let me tell you about 2 benefits you would get from it. I haven't asked for money, but now I want to tell the professional, the CEO, the manager, the benefits of my services. I would watch your YouTube videos, extract insightful information from them, and create the most engaging piece of content for your blog. Benefit 1. Benefit 2, I would take your customer success stories, and they have a ton of it, and turn them into compelling copy that will generate leads and sales for your product. This is exactly what business owners want to achieve. I haven't even asked them for money, and I haven't told them the price of my services. This line says, let me know what you think. Remember what I told you earlier? You want a situation where you send a cold email. All you want is a yes. Because once you get that initial yes, then you have opened up a conversation line. That way, you can now talk to the CEO, the business owner, the founder, and then you people can start negotiating and talking. And by the time you have been able to build a level of trust with them, you can now pitch your services where you will be paid. Here, it's a non-pushy CTA. This is really important. You're not pushing them. You're not even telling them if they should get back to you. You only said, let me know what you think. But when you solicit for people's thoughts about something, they feel honored to respond because you have given them the chance to really say what's on their mind. With this kind of code email templates, when you send it this way, then it becomes very easy for you to get a yes from them. Kindly hit that like button to share this video with those who would benefit from it.